have a great Valentine's too.
Yes.
It's Valentine's Day. Can I have a kiss?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Can we put that on YouTube? A kiss?
Sure.
All right. Hey, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are
Match Made in Heaven.
Not the.
No, we are Match Made in Heaven.
Not the Match Made.
No.
All right. You like my gun?
No.
It's a pretty cool gun.
It looks like something from Star Trek.
It's a lava gun.
Okay.
Hey, but what we're doing is showing you how we have implemented an antenna in Middle Tennessee. We are close to Nashville, and we're saving $45, $50 a month by getting the antenna running. And we thought we would show that to everyone and how simple it is and how you can do it very cheaply. This antenna that I've got in my hands now, I think I paid around $30 on eBay for this particular model. We'll put some links in this video when we post it on a couple options. The one that we're using now, and then this one that I've used in the past. What's interesting about this one is it has a connection, and I used to have it on just a little PVC pipe, and I had it set up in the attic pointing towards Nashville and getting all the local networks, ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox, PBS, NHD, and most of those networks now have 2 or 3 additional channels. Did I do something funny?
No, you're about to knock over the power box.
I'm about to knock over the power box. So the power box, though, that's a great, I'm glad you mentioned the power box, Laura. These antennas have power injection into them to boost the signal strength. So the one that we're using now has that, and then this one is a different method. It's your coax comes in from the antenna, and then you have 2 outputs typically going out to your TVs in your home, and then power coming from the unit itself back to the antenna. So these work pretty simple, and I've got a video on how we've got our one currently installed. Laura is so excited about talking antennas, I can tell. But would you like saving the money?
Sure.
Do we watch ABC, NBC, CBS mostly anyways?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we do. We miss some channels, but we've been happy with the antenna. We're an Amazon Prime customer, so we get some movies that we like and documentaries through the Prime subscription. But we've been happy with just the antenna, and there's so much nonsense, and mainly for the financial reasons and the nonsense that's on cable networks. We have been doing this for 10 years now, antenna?
Yes, I think so.
About 10 years. So hope you like it. I hope it helps. I hope it takes some of the confusion out of it. Please like our channel, subscribe. Turn on notifications. We're thinking about ideas and ways that we might be able to help you and may be able to save some money and relay those on. So let us know. Give us some comments. Everybody, have a great day.
All right. Bye.
All right. So what we want to do now is use the FCC website to determine the best location for our antenna and what is around, what channels are available to us, what should we expect to pick up. So using the Bing search engine, I'm going to do FCC DTV for digital TV, and you can see one of the results is the reception map. So when we do that search, that's what we want to go into, is the DTV reception map from the FCC. If you just start searching for antenna, you're going to see a lot of spam and websites out there trying to sell you antennas, which might be good for you, but this DTV reception maps will allow you, it's got some educational information here at the top. What I like is I can come in here and I can enter my zip code. I'm going to enter 37064 for Franklin, Tennessee. When I hit search, then it's going to show my location on the map, and then it's going to show me the channels that I should be able to pick up. These are the strong antenna signals in my area, so you can see ABC, PBS, NBC. I should have no issues with them, and I don't. And then these, sometimes I will lose Fox, and you can see that Fox is in the moderate signal strength for my location. And then these channels here, I don't think that I get these weaker channels, but what I like, if I click on Fox here and hover, then it's going to show me exactly where that antenna is in my relationship to Nashville. If I click on another channel, it'll load it onto the map, and that is the same location. Let's try another one here. So PBS is broadcasting out of Brentwood, Tennessee, which is closer to me. So I like this FCC site. It's real easy to see. So I know when I point my antenna, I'm going to want to point it towards Nashville for the best possible reception using this map, and I can see the antennas, and I can focus in on this channel that I am trying to pick up. So very, very simple to do. Just search for FCC DTV, and you will be taken to the DTV reception maps. Enter your zip code, and then you can use the map to determine your location and where you need to point your antenna. So hope that helps.
This is the install that Laura has allowed me to do on the back of our home. I needed to get it off of the brick wall. I didn't have a way to get it high to the roof line of our home. So what I did was I installed it close to my coaxial that's running through my home, so I would not have to run other coaxial. So I used a bracket, and I put that bracket against the wall, and then I just used some what is that, a 3x3 treated lumber, and I pushed it out and screwed it into the bracket, and then on the end is my antenna mount. So you can see that install. Now what you'll see there is one cable for this unit, and that one cable is needing to get into power. It brings the coaxial signal in, and it also brings power. So behind this little box, which is the old phone box, we haven't used phone line in a long time, but behind that it's going in, it's coming into the garage, and I'll show you that. And then you can see beside of it multiple coaxial entries into my home running to different areas of the house, living rooms, bonus rooms, bedrooms, where there are TVs. And then if we get closer, what we'll see is if we come down, we're going to see inside my Charter cable box is where all of that coax is coming, and then I'm splitting off. So what I'm doing now is when I show you the power unit, I've got coax coming back out to this four-way splitter and then going to different units within my home. The other cable, the orange cable, is the cable internet coming into my home, but if I subscribe to cable TV, it would also come through that same connection from the power pole that's going back in my backyard. But it's just that simple. Mount the antenna, get the antenna to your coaxial splits into your home, and then you can have free TV here in the area. So $35-ish for the antenna, and we are off and running. Now, like I said, my outside install has one wire. This particular manufacturer has one wire. It's this white wire, and this white wire runs right back out to the antenna. I'm in my garage now, and the reason I'm in my garage is I needed a power source. I needed a way to power this box which runs to the antenna. So the antenna has extra power to boost these signal capabilities. And then you can see coming out of this box, we've got this black wire. This black wire is coax, and it's connecting into coax, just regular coax, and it follows the same path as the white wire, and it goes right back out to my charter box, and that's where I hit the 4-way splitter and I go to all the runs in my home. So this power is a part of the unit. This unit could be moved with the power source. Also, the antenna can move in different directions, but I haven't had a need to do that in my install. I get all the channels I need in that one direction, pointing, in this case, towards Nashville, Tennessee. So after you have connected your antenna outside, powered it, brought the signal in, you're going to need to go into your TV when you run the coax from your antenna to your TV, and you're going to need to go into settings, and you're going to need to search for those channels. So on this particular TV, this is an LG TV, I'm into settings, and then we're just going to tell it to auto-tune. And then click start, and now it's searching for channels, and you can see it's going to go through and search antenna for HD channels. It's already found 8 from our installation. I think it's going to end up finding 22 or even more channels. Let's see what it finds. It's going pretty quickly. So 22 was wrong, we're already at 23. So it's about to finish, 100%. 23 channels found. I'm going to hit done, and it should tune me to whatever channel it found. So in this case, I've got ABC, and if I channel up, these are the ABC channels. Here's NBC, and you can even see it's bringing through the what the show is. And I believe on this particular model, I can even hit enter and get some more information on it and things like that. There's CBS, there's PBS, and the multiple PBSs. And I'm into the other networks that we're getting. So pretty cool stuff. That's all you got to do is go into the settings and search for your channels now.
I don't know why you put the on the front end of it, because we are not the match meet in heaven. We are match meet in heaven. Jeez.
I'm gonna do it like this. Hey!